tires.
Oh my God. Touchdown, touchdown. We have 2 tires on the ground. Sheesh.
Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, you guys have a car, truck that you're working on, and as of right now, it is temporarily taken apart. But you faced a problem. You have to move it. How do you move a vehicle that has either no suspension, no wheels and tires, no front end, anything like that? How do you move a car like that? I'm gonna show you how, right here, from Big Daniel to you at Import Life Media. All right, so check this out. You're working on a vehicle, your project or whatever, or even if you're at a shop, you have to move some cars around. Typically, you know, you can throw your car up on the jack, boom, boom, and put some jack stands up underneath it, right? But your problem, just like mine, your wheels aren't attached to it, right? So if there was wheels, you can also go this route and get rollers. So you jack the car up, put these rollers on it, and now you can easily push and move the vehicle around. But here we go. There is no suspension, no wheels, no A-arms, no control arms, no nothing. No motor. So right now this car sits on jack stands. Okay, the rear end, these are here, but let's say your suspension is weak or you don't have any rollers, or let's just say this isn't here at all. How are you gonna move this car? So, very, very easy. Let me show you what to buy and how to do it. So, let me show you the product that was made specifically for this problem. All right, go down to Harbor Freight, not sponsored at all. This is just who found the parts that I needed. Go down to Harbor Freight and look up the Daytona pinch weld vehicle dollies. You see, it can hold up to 3,600 pounds. One of these boxes holds 2, so it's 2 dollies. That's what you're gonna get. This should run you around in between $200 to $230. Like I said, for a pair. And what this does is, obviously, these dollies helps the vehicle move. This connects to your frame rail, okay? And the top of that is rubber, so it's not too much sliding. And they separate where you can bolt it in and latch it on to your frame rail. The thing I like about these is the fact that these wheels are not plastic. These wheels are rubber. Now, when you open the box, it's very easy to put together. You just attach the wheels, you know? See, I got my buddy over here working on it. Pretty much you just attach the wheels, bolt it in, and you're ready to go. And the good thing about it is that the dolly itself is wider. It's in the shape of a triangle, but it's wider than the tires. So it goes up underneath the frame, but it's wide to where it gives it a nice, good stance. So, the thing that's cool about it is these you can adjust right here. And this opens and closes to show that the frame go right here in the middle. You bolt it in, clamp it. So not only the weight of the vehicle is gonna keep it together, but when it's bolted in, it's latched on to the frame rail. Now, how it rolls. This ground is dirty. This ground is all messed up. Look at this. But with a simple push, that thing rolls. It's very good. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and latch this on to the Lexus with no front end and get the thing rolling.
Oh my God.
All right, here we go, coming down.
I'm looking over here.
This dolly's off the body, but it's just
It should sit right back down. I'm
coming down.
yeah, come on.
Slow.
Slow burn. Slow. Go. Keep going. Keep going. You get over here. Set on the dolly now. Keep going. Keep going.
Ooh.
Sitting. Still on the jack. Keep on.
It's off the jack.
Alright, cool.
But with this wheel, when it's set, this motherfucker can get that. Yeah.
Well,
Alright. Now we gotta go back to the other one. Getting closer.
let her down.
Down.
Touchdown, touchdown. We have 2 tires on the ground. That's a
Two
quote.
tires.
That's a quote from Twister. I just want you to know that. Yay.
See if we
You wanna try doing something?
Yeah, let's see if we can just go forward.
Try pushing it forward.
You was strong.
Oh. We're good.
Cool. Sheesh. I'm sorry, I gotta go taller for you. I was looking like this. Right.
Yeah, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So we working over here, and
That's
yeah, but it moves very smoothly. Yeah, we got a strong black Nubian king right here. So you know what I mean? He got all kind of muscles. You know what I mean? Look at that.
I'll just pick the car up, throw it in the trailer.
Yeah, it might work.
Got it.
All right, so we got it on. Now, what we did was, like I said, this goes to just the bottom, the frame rail right there. And not only does it lock in, but it's rubber, so it prevents it from sliding as much as possible. Now, the rear wheels, we were able to just put on, but just in case these rear wheels were not here, let's say they weren't there, you can literally have a set here for the front and right, and you can have another set for the rear, front, left and right. I'll show you how easy this car moves. Move it right now. Here, get it from the side, I'm gonna just push it up a little bit.
20 bucks, you can push it.
So, it doesn't really take much effort. Like I said, those wheels are rubber, not plastic, so it's good. Just a little bit of force. Rolls very easy. Look, I'll do it with one hand. Rolls very easy.
Don't lie, you took PCP today.
Smoked out. Woo! Let's move cars today. So, at the end of the day, you have an answer to your problem. If you guys do not have any front suspension, no wheels, no tires, nothing to move your car, if it's on jack stands or even if it's just, where'd the box go? All you have to do is go to Harbor Freight. I believe it's called Pinch Weld Dollies.
Oh yeah, where's that wheel in the other?
I'm looking for the box to show you guys. Where'd the box go? Right here. Pinch Weld Dollies. Pinch Weld Vehicle Dolly. Harbor Freight, like I said, it's gonna run between $200 and $230 for a pair. So you get 2. Goes up to 14 inches, goes down to 10. So it gives you some pretty good clearance. That's how it is. There you guys go. I was faced with a problem. Now you guys have an easy solution. If you can, please like and subscribe, support the channel, support the information. And if there's any other issues or problems that you guys are having with your vehicle or anything dealing with cars, let me know. I'll bring you guys a video with the answer and solution. All right, y'all. Stay blessed, stay great. And if you haven't done so yet, follow me on Import Life Media. Import Life Media on Instagram. Holla at your boy. Say what's up.